Hi friends and new friends out there in Dash Nation. I'm Christopher Carruthers, also known as Tao of Satoshi, and you're watching Cash Alternative TV. At long last, people who treasure the promise of Evan Duffield's vision for Dash evolution will get to see that vision come much closer to reality. Dash Core CTO Bob Carroll correctly states, though, that evolution is not a single destination, rather a code name for the whole project. A big component of evolution is Dash Platform. There have been many unavoidable delays to that, and these delays were due to complications that one would expect to encounter when attempting to build something that's never been done before. All that's in the past, though. The future is now. Dash Core Group will be hosting an introductory workshop for those interested in getting their hands dirty with this new tech. Before I get into what sorts of innovations will be unveiled and played with, I would like to give you the details about where and when for this event. As you can see by my backdrop, the open house will be held on December 7th from 1 to 5 p.m. at Arizona State University's Skysong Innovation Center. So what can attendees expect to see while there? Well, Dash Platform was recently teased at the Dash Convention Europe with its major features revealed. Here's a brief rundown of Dash Platform features which will be available for developers to play with at the Phoenix Open House. Blockchain usernames and identities, a DAPI, which stands for Decentralized Application Programming Interface, Dash Drive, which serves as data storage for the network, and Dash Pay-enabled wallets on the platform. In addition, there will be a developer portal, an information session on Platform's release process, and a segment on community and communication. This technology may be very exciting for Dash, but as Dash community member Mark Mason points out in this recent video, it should be exciting for the whole space.
This is a major historic development milestone for not only Dash, but for blockchain technology in general. Dash Platform, codenamed Dash Evolution, will bring a Venmo-like user-friendly experience with blockchain username identities, making cryptocurrency as easy to use as traditional payment systems. Dash Platform enables the creation of decentralized applications accessed via identities established on the blockchain. Pretty exciting stuff, right? For both users and developers. Let me tell you why I'm excited. Imagine a blockchain-based decentralized app store with a growing DApp ecosystem utilizing Dash Platform's Drive and DAPI. It could be used for gaming applications, social networks, supply chains, all on blockchain with endless possibilities, harnessing Dash Platform's name service, which provides a decentralized enhanced DNS. And the real secret sauce is a user-friendly Dash Pay wallet interface with an easy-to-use experience tailored for mass adoption. It will be username based, so the users no longer need to deal with the complexity of cryptographic addresses. Now listen up, as this part's important. The username profiles will create an account-like experience with a consistent contacts list and transaction history, allowing users to log in from multiple devices and also provide user account interoperability with decentralized applications using Dash Platform. I truly believe Dash Platform is the game changer blockchain has been waiting for. So, get ready people, the revolution, or should I say evolution, is coming.
Very well said, Mark. Yes, Dash is building a better money and the possibilities for it are endless. Accomplishments such as this breathe life into the whole cryptosphere and give us confidence in what we are doing will lead to a better future for many people around the world. I hope you can make it to the open house in Phoenix, but if not, there will be a live stream that will be a must-see. I'll leave the link in the description below. We've sure waited long enough for this, and our patience is about to be rewarded. Well, that's it for me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and click the bell if you want to see more from me and Cash Alternative TV episodes. Until next time, remember, Dash is a better money for a better future, and that future is getting closer every day. Bye for now.